morning. Good morning. Great morning. Did you know that the most important greeting of the day is good morning? Well, it most definitely is. But like every word that is spoken from your lips, it is not the words you say when you speak that carry an impact. It is the way you say the words you speak that do. Let me say that again. It is not the words you say when you speak that carry an impact. It is the way you say the words you speak that do. For example, if you are sleepy and tired and just don't have any energy at all in the morning and you say, good morning, can you honestly say it is a good morning? I think not. When you say your morning greeting, you have to understand that you are saying, it is a beautiful day. I am alive. I feel great, and I hope you have a great day. That is what good morning means, and that is the power it carries. It's a great greeting, right? The most important greeting of the day. So, make sure you bless everyone around you with a warm, healthy, and colorful great greeting or greeting every morning.